Hi guys, welcome to the tech world, and in this video today we are going to discuss the most popular, most worthy and important keywords that we should use in the title while uploading YouTube videos so that the expensive ads can run on our videos and we can get more revenue. So this is the world of technology. If you are getting good views on YouTube but you are not getting enough dollars on ads, what is the reason? The reason is that you are not using some keywords in your title. So I'm going to discuss the some keywords that should use. The first keyword and very important keyword is Apple. So try to use the Apple word in your title for getting good and expensive ads and more dollars. The second keyword is Google. Google is also very important keyword, and ads on Google can give you the best dollar. And the third keyword is the Microsoft. It can also gives you the more dollar and expensive ads. Some other keywords are like insurance. Insurance is also a very worthy keyword, and on insurance expensive ads can run and you can get more and good revenue. Some other keywords are like Toyota and Samsung. So these are the keywords. Thank you so much. Don't forget to like this video. Okay, stay connected. We will be right back with another video very soon, inshallah. Goodbye.